Hello, shell buddies, and welcome back to the channel. I am a sweaty, gross mess right now because we've been doing Idalia prep all day, and you can see I've pile of laundry on the bed behind me. I've been washing clothes all day. We went to the store, got all our supplies, topped everything off. So, okay, unless you've been under a rock for a couple of days, you know that there is a tropical storm about to become a hurricane named Idalia that is going to be off the southwest Gulf Coast of Florida Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm supposed to have a Come Shell With Me event on Thursday. That's out. That's off for right now, and I'll explain why. This storm is going to sideswipe where I am and hit in the upper reaches of Florida. Where I am in Manatee County, we are under a level A evacuation if you're by the coast, obviously, with 5 feet of storm surge predicted above the extra 2 to 3 feet we were going to have from the king tide anyway. So there is going to be some coastal damage and flooding. Where I'm at, away from the bay, though, it would take over 20 feet to flood us here. So we feel relatively confident that we're far enough away from this thing and that we're going to be just looking at a side swipe and not a direct hit the way Ian was supposed to come in. So where I am south of Tampa Bay, I'm all right. Sunset Beach is in the uncertainty cone, and given what we saw up there for the erosion damage that's already happened from Ian and from that Nicole, I want to say that winter storm was, and a couple of other things, they had some pretty significant erosion problems up there, and I'm not sure what Sunset Beach is going to look like necessarily after this, but it is above Tampa Bay, and they are looking at much bigger surf up that way than we are down here. We'll see what happens. Right now, I am rescheduling the shell day for Saturday morning, and most likely going to be at Pass A Grille unless that area takes some heavy coastal erosion as well. And the reason I say Saturday is that, yes, this thing's going to be by us by Wednesday. But just because the storm is done, it doesn't mean the waves in the Gulf just stop. The Gulf's going to be churned up for a couple of days. And it's going to make shelling a little dangerous if you're getting in the water. And it's going to be really tough to see. It's going to be a lot of turbidity and churned up stuff and foam. So there's really not much benefit to going out right after the storm. It's a lot more advantageous to wait a couple of days, and then we can get an idea of what's going on, what looks like it's going to be a good location, and that sort of stuff. So right now, we're slated to stay put. I will give you updates on Idalia's impacts to our area in Bradenton and Manatee County as I can and as power and whatnot allows. And for my folks up in northern Florida, best to you. Good luck. We went through this last year with Ian down my way, and we got a 2-3 when they got a 4-5 downstate. So we know what you guys are in for. We're crossing our fingers and praying for you. All of my Florida peeps, stay safe, stay ready. Florida strong. We got this. And for everybody else, keep in touch. Stay tuned, and I'll let you know more as I can. Take care, everybody. Stay safe.